With our busy lives, we're often unable to answer the door when deliveries arrive. The HomeControl doorbell cam from Pyronix can now bring your front door to the palm of your hands, whilst also keeping you and your family secure.
Hello?
Even when you're not at home.
Hi mate, I've got a parcel for you.
Oh, yeah, can you leave it round the back, please?
Yeah, no problem.
Great, thank you. Come on.
Monitor, view, and speak to visitors at any time, anywhere, using the HomeControl 2.0 app on your smart device.
Oh yeah, it's only me. Yeah, we're about 5 minutes away.
Showing you a 130-degree field of view, the built-in camera captures high-definition live video and photos, automatically switching from day to night mode, making sure you have full visibility on even the darkest of nights. With security in mind, the HomeControl doorbell cam can be fitted as a standalone solution or can be integrated with other Pyronix products, creating a smart home security solution.
Can I help you?
The built-in PIR sensor can also be adjusted to suit the sensitivity level, including a human filtering function, reducing false alarms. Easy to install, either with no wires or optional local power. With a long-lasting battery, the unit can simply be removed and charged for another 3 months on standby. With an optional 32GB SD card inserted, up to 50 hours or 6 months of typical usage of video and photos can be locally stored on the unit. As well as notifications directly to HomeControl 2.0, doorbell chimes can be added to the property, notifying you whenever you are in the home. Easy, secure, and convenient. The HomeControl doorbell cam from Pyronix.